Hi, my name is Dick Hirsch, SAP Mentor, and I'm now going to show you how you can create different versions of your SAPRiver application. This might be useful if you were doing various features. You want to get the first feature then create a new release. And so let's see how this works. So first we are going to create a new application. As usual, this is test versions. So let's see my application appear. So there's my application. Let's transfer to it. So this is my test version application, and you'll see up top that it is version 0.1. It's a prototype. So let me create my first tab here. So first tab is created, and let's put a little bit of content. So let's go in and edit the form. So we want to have, for example, an action button. So this action will be new, and that's it. So we've saved and we've exited. So there we go. Form is coming up. So boom, 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 da-da. This is the new one. So, and now we want to create a new version. For example, we have new features that are coming up where we want to sort of have a point where we can always revert to if we have other changes. So I go over here under application and I say, so manage local versions. This is my one version here. I click over here to your right and I want to copy to a new prototype. So what are the notes? The notes are test for versions. So that is created, you see in the background. So we now have the two versions, two different times, of course, two different versions. Then so close, and you will now see up at top, it is the version 0.2. Let me show you the difference here. Let me go and edit the form again. I am going to add another button just so that we can distinguish between the two versions. Action, when we say action delete, I will save and exit it. So now we have the two versions. Remember, say I have another one. Let's say I want to go back to the old version here. I go back and do right here. You can go to the old version. This is the version that just had the one label, the one button. So that's the two versions. And what I don't know, which is pretty interesting, is how do you promote the local version to production? Since there's probably a production instance of SAPRiver out there, but we don't have access to it. What you would basically do is click this right here, promote local version to production. You can decide whether you want to exclude data, copy data, move the data, and then I say, why don't we exclude the data? And that would be promoted. So it's promoting it, sending it somewhere in the SAPRiver world. And now we can go and we can look at the versions again. And you'll see that the 0.1 version is in active production. No idea exactly what that means, but there you see how it's done. Okay, that's it. Enjoy. Thanks.